If you ain't subscribed to Jomar, what are you doing?
Oh!
What is going on, you guys? We got Sebastian right here. We got Yuri over here, the photographer. Oh! We're out here chilling on top of a parking garage, actually. We have the cars kind of lined up over here. But yeah, I mean, the car's looking fucking good. I wanted to find a nice spot like this and get some clips, some pictures, all of that good stuff. I'm not sure where we're gonna go after this. Sebastian doesn't really have any tires left. I've got like one pair of tires left, so we're not gonna do any crazy drifting or anything like that. But there is another spot kind of around here where we're at that we might be able to hit up and do just like a little something for you guys. That's pretty much what we got going on right now. I'm just kind of like skating around up here. As you guys can see, I got the tri-spokes on the E36. Shouts out to Sebastian for letting me hold those.
I sold it to him because I'm broke.
Yeah, somebody send Sebastian some money, please.
Every $10 gets feet pictures.
Every $10 gets Sebastian's feet pics, and he'll send you a pair of his dirty underwear in the mail.
They're ripped too.
But yeah, we got the tri-spokes on the car. We got some M3 mirrors on here. I did a couple little things to it since the last video. We got some door cards in here now for all you guys that like the POV stuff, you know, cleaning up the interior a little bit. I got a new shifter in here as well. You guys probably couldn't tell from the videos, but since that crash that me and Sebastian had, I got hit in the back and it pushed all my stuff around or whatever, and it bent my shifter, so it was never sitting straight. So yeah, we got a new chassis mount shifter. We got those door cards in here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. A couple little things just to clean up the car a little bit, and oh, new exhaust as well. The car is sounding way better. I actually went to the exhaust shop too to get hangers put on it and everything, so now I don't have just like a metal wire random thing or whatever that I had holding it up. I mean, the car is pretty solid for right now. It drives pretty good. And also I put my front sway bar back on. Since I put the angle kit on and my E46 lower control arms, I took off the front sway bar just because it didn't line up, but I was able to drill out some holes and remount it back up and everything, so I'm sure I'll be able to feel a little bit of a difference with the car when I'm driving now. I lowered the rear quite a bit, Yeah, now we're sitting pretty low. We're pretty stanced out now. Car's looking good. I think I need to lower the front just a little bit now that I got 17s on here. Need to lower it maybe just a little bit. Oh, what's Sebastian doing? He's gonna hurt himself.
Car for sale, by the way.
Car's for sale. Somebody buy this thing. We might be heading to a spot, but yeah, that's pretty much. Oh.
Help us. Jomar won't let us go home. Help!
But yeah, if we do end up going to a spot, we'll cut to that right about now.
First, quick.
Yeah, I can.
And then do. I mean, up to you. I don't really give a fuck.
Yeah, I can real quick.
Yeah, that's up to you if you want to.
All right.
I'll record. I'll give it a couple.
This is a fun little spot for sure. It kind of eats up tires like kind of good just because of the type of road that it is. But Sebastian already didn't have any tires. My tires, they're all right, but I don't want to keep driving alone or whatever. But yeah, we just wanted to come and just at least slide for the one time. Bro, let's go hang out with them. I mean, even though we just did like 4 runs, still, I've been wanting to drive for the longest time. I haven't driven forever, so yeah, I mean, the car drove good. I think that front sway bar definitely made a difference though. Maybe I can feel a difference, I don't know. It doesn't feel like it's all over the place. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna go do some rollbacks real quick with the takeover kids, so yeah. Huh?
What are you gonna do?
Just do a donut and I'll follow behind you. want to pull up to that 7-Eleven real quick?
Follow you.
Yeah. All right, so now I think we're actually done. We kind of did some little like tandem kind of donuts or whatever just for fun. I don't know, just kind of random before we left. I kind of almost totaled out my car driving into that big ass fucking pothole out of nowhere, so that was a good time. What do you think about that?
Can I get a bacon egg? I don't fucking know. That was fun. I don't know what I was going with that.
Yeah, it was a good time. But next time though, Sebastian will come with some tires. I will come with some more of whatever I come with. We'll go hit some more spots. I've been wanting to find new spots to go to and everything, but it's hard. I feel like we've already hit every single like good spot that there is around here. Mainly we just have a bunch of fucking warehouses and stuff. We'll see what we come up with for next time, but yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty much just the end of the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
See, I got ideas.